In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom photo gallery to your Wix website. We will be working inside the Wix editor. And the goal is to create a gallery that looks polished, matches your site's style, and showcases your images in a clean, professional way. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left side of the screen and click Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps all the visual components you can place on your page. From there, hover over Gallery and then choose Pro Galleries. Wix offers several gallery styles, so take a moment to choose the layout that best fits your content. For example, a grid layout works well for a neat, organized look. Masonry is great for images with different shapes or sizes. And a slider can be useful if you want a more interactive, focused presentation. Once you've chosen the style you want, drag and drop it onto your page. Next, click on the gallery directly on your canvas and select Manage Media. This is where you'll replace the sample content with your own images. Click Add Media to upload your personal photos, or choose images you've already stored in your site files. If the gallery includes default images, select them and click the trash icon to remove them. After that, you can drag and drop your uploaded images into the order you want them to appear. This is especially helpful if you want to control the visual flow of the gallery. While you are still in the Media Manager, add titles and descriptions to your images if they're relevant to your site. You should also fill in the alt text for each image. This helps with accessibility for screen readers and can also support your site's SEO. So it's a small step that can make a big difference. When everything looks good, click Done. Now click the gallery again and open Settings. Here, you can choose the layout style you prefer, such as collage, grid, or thumbnail, and adjust the image spacing to get the look you want. Then go to Design to customize the gallery even further. You can change hover effects, add scroll animations, adjust overlays, and edit text styles, so the gallery feels consistent with the rest of your website. Finally, update the click actions in the settings. This lets you decide what happens when a visitor clicks an image. You can have images open in expand mode like a lightbox, link them to another page, or set them to do nothing at all, depending on your needs. And that's it. Thanks for watching.